I say it? You got it. You got it.
No.
Listen up, says my teacher. In front of the class, he says if you're not a believer, I've that's on you. Better shape up and pay your dues. I've that's on you.
Yeah, got it.
I'll be on a flight soon to the end.
Look at that.
Let's go.
Get it, get it, get it.
Nice size.
That's it, baby.
Let's get it.
You put it or no?
Little mama. Bring your mom.
Big one, baby.
Here we are.
Say
goodbye.
You got a big one.
Like the fire to remember. I'll be in the fleet soon. How do you do? Things that you said, pushing me closer to the edge. And like John, not loose. Don't mind if I do.
Yeah, baby. Oh, big fish! Big fish!
Oh, small fish.
Little boy.
No fish fry?
No fish fry.
Yeah, I have a feeling turn the music off on this one. I have a feeling it's a monster. I just have like my intuition is kicking in.
Yep.
Oh!
What did I say? What did I say? No!
Oh
The
no.
GoPro went. Oh my god, the GoPro's gone. No.
No way. Oh.
Oh my god. The GoPro's gone.
Oh my god. What happened,
I
dude?
kicked it.
Well, that was great shit. What GoPro was it?
Yeah, brand new one that I bought.
Where'd my flip flop go? Of course, I lost the GoPro, the brand new one. Everything's soaked. Like I stuck my whole arm down in there.
Dude, what if we see it tomorrow? No, I mean like fucking like what if? Like
We will see it tomorrow.
Never say never.
At least I caught her on video.
The next morning.
You guys catch any? That is awesome rig. Are you throwing the whole rod down too?
Buddy, you'd rather have the camera than the rod.
How much is that camera?
$500?
Learn your lesson.
Yeah.
Always tie it to your leg. So when you kick it, it just stops. Do you actually see it when you go down there?
Yeah. And it's not.
There's
it's
something huge on your pan optics, Robbie. Did anyone go see if Mikey's alive?
It's to the right. It's to the right of you. That's it. Right there on the right.
This like robotic shit here. Grab it with the arm.
Can you get it?
It's the whole stick and everything, eh?
Just go around the arm. Go around the arm. No, not the head. Not the head.
Okay, check guy.
Will it still work or no?
Yeah.
Let's see.
So right now it's just getting it.
No, but if I get it back, I can bring it back to Costco and return it because I have warranty for 2 years. But let's just get it.
The arm. Imagine you catch a huge pike like this. That's such a great view. Right?
We're too far, Michelle.
Okay.
We're too far.
Okay, then pull it up.
We gotta pull it up and bring the rod in a little bit. In a little.
Hannah.
Answer it, Nikki.
Dobar dan, Rai Kovacica. Fishing.
Yeah.
We're trying to catch Michelle's GoPro in the bottom of the lake. Yeah, we're crazy. Can he call you back? He's right now like really deep. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Bye. She's like, you guys are crazy. Seriously? Yeah, we're not even fishing at this point. Oh, buddy, look at this. Double up.
Let him stop it.
Okay, maybe the vibration will help him. I'm convinced. Hey, is the ice thick enough still? Yeah. Doesn't look that thick anymore. I'm nervous.
Yeah, there you go.
There's no way you're gonna get it up with the
With the camera on it.
This one's frozen. You know what we have to do? We have to take this and put it all the way to the front, so it doesn't get stuck. And then we just put the hook on the furthest one back.
They're right on you.
You got it.
You got it.
No.
He's got it. Just
Come
bring
on.
it up slow. Bring it up slow. Just bring it up slow.
Oh, okay. We're at the end. Where is it? There's the. Okay, just put your hand in and
Here, you have a longer hand.
come here. Just hold it like don't move. Don't move it. Don't move it. No, don't move. It's not broken! Let's go! Oh my god!
I'm feeling it. My bones telling me it's right. It's so different. But when you take me to the light, it's like a cigarette. And I'm burning at your lips. That's so innocent. Then you kick it up, and now I want to show you all what you deserve. And know we got so much to learn. And just like when we said I do, and it's only you that can do it like that. Yeah. I like it with you. I like it with you. I like it with you. In the sand and with dance. We ain't got no plans. I just how you do. The magic when you look at me. Know what I'm saying? It inside your seat. Oh, and just like when we said I do. And it's only you who could do like that. It's only you who could do like. I like it with you. I like it with you. I like it with you. In the sand that we dance. We ain't got no plans. I like it with you. Yeah. I like it with you. When the hours come all night long. I like it when you close all the curtains. You're taking out the trash and the burdens. We got all the time, ain't no worries. I like it when you tell me that you love it. And when you pull the strings on my puppet. Even when it rains, we above it. I like it when you.
But you were doing some weird things with your feet. You're like gasping. Good. Like right beside my head. I'm like, what is this guy doing?
I was
I'm
driving.
looking at him like, does this guy want me to wake up or what?
All gas, no brakes, baby.
Robbie, let me go.
That's what he was doing. Probably he was doing this. And my head's right here, and he's just doing this. I'm like, does he want my attention or something? I'm looking at him, and he's like, oh.